Apart from chemical contaminants, the used newspaper also showed the presence of pathogenic microorganisms, which also poses a potential risk to human health. Small children, old people, and those with a diminished immune system are at as greater risk of acquiring diseases and other health complications from the newspaper ink. Thus, the people are slowly being poisoned due to the widespread use of newspaper as food wrapping material. Hence, it is best to use tissue paper or paper towels for packing and for absorbing excess oil from fried food. Tissue papers are not expensive and can be purchased in bulk at better prices. However, if anyone still wishes to use paper, please use blank or plain sheets instead of printed newspaper. What can you do? Never use newspaper and magazine pages for serving and storing food items. Don't use newspaper to wipe your hand and mouth after eating. Discourage the street vendor from using newspapers for packing. Spread awareness among your friends and family. Use food-grade papers, tissue paper, dried leaves, banana leaves for packing food items. Pigments, binders, additives, and preservatives. It also shows the presence of harmful chemicals like HDHALAT, which can cause digestive problems, breast cancer, obesity, and also lead to severe toxicity. Pregnant women exposed to high level of HDHALAT increases the risk of birth defect and intellectual deficits. India's food regulator, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, has recently issued an advisory stating that the use of newspapers for wrapping and packing of food items poses a health hazard. FSSAI said, wrapping food in newspapers is an unhealthy practice and the consumption of such food is injurious to health, even if the food has been cooked hygienically.